We'll guide you through how to hide Instagram following and follower list. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Who you follow and who follows you can be quite a private thing on Instagram, and so therefore you may want to go make it private so others can't go and see. We'll guide you through this step by step and the best way of doing it. So to go and get started, you can go and press on your profile icon in the bottom right. At the top, you'll go and see your followers and following. So to go and get started with this, your account cannot be a professional account, whether that's business or creator. You know that it currently is because you'll go and see the option for professional dashboard. So we need to go and turn this off. So on your profile page, press the three lines in the top right. Here, you then need to go and scroll down and go and find the option for creator tools and controls. And we can then scroll down and press switch account type, and we'll go and switch it to a personal account as it needs to be that in order to go and do this. Go and wait. When it's finished, you'll go and get taken back to your main settings. Shouldn't get too much longer. As you can see, the professional dashboard is now gone. So then what we need to do is actually go and head back to our settings in order to go and do this. So on your profile page, press the three lines in the top right. Here, you then need to go down. So what you need to do is you need to go and locate the section who can go and see your content. And then there, you need to go and find account privacy. So what we can do is we can go and switch on private account. And when your account's private, only the followers that you approve can go and see what you share, including your photos and videos, and also your followers and following lists. So therefore, you can go and choose who you can go and see who you follow and your followers. You can go and remove them, and only people you approve can see it. The rest of the public is going to be hidden from. So what you can do is go and switch on private account, confirm your decision by pressing switch to private like so, and then it's going to go and be enabled, as you can see. So you can start reviewing your followers. And what you can do is if there's people who currently follow you who you don't want to go and see your following and followers, you want to go and hide it from them, what you can do is go and press followers and you can go and start removing people. Then they'll need to go and be approved again if they choose to go and follow you in order to go and see your followers and following, otherwise it'll be hidden. And to start approving your followers, you can go and do that by coming to your homepage and then press notifications in the top right. Wait for this to load, and at the top, you can go and see your follow requests, and you can then go and approve them or decline them. And then so anybody who doesn't follow you, aka the general public, won't be able to go and see your following and followers list. It's that simple, and it's now private. So if you found this useful and want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again with more Instagram guides. Have a great day. Goodbye for now. I'll catch you again.